Join the vibrant community at London School of Planning and Management and become a part of something extraordinary. At LSPM, we're more than just a school, we're a family of like-minded individuals striving for excellence in every aspect of our lives. Connect with fellow learners, industry experts, and mentors who share your passion and drive. Whether you're looking for guidance, collaboration, or simply a supportive network, you'll find it here at LSPM. Together, we'll inspire, challenge, and uplift each other as we pursue our dreams and goals. Join the LSPM community today and embark on a journey of growth, learning, and success. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.